Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. So I make sure to tell you, and all you've got to do is press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath that video for everybody, when you come in to see me, if you've been enjoying my content, I appreciate so much that you just take a second underneath the video to give me that thumbs up. That's what that pillow is there to remind me, to remind you guys. That thumbs up that you do, that takes just 1 second. You will see the number go up and it will turn blue, which means it's registered. YouTube looks at that, and if I get a lot of thumbs up on my content, on my videos, then they will then in turn put my videos in front of other people that like this type of content. They just haven't met me yet on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for helping me get noticed on YouTube, and by you putting that thumbs up, you're helping me do that. So I'm thanking you in advance. Thanks again. All right, today is an exciting day because I got an email, it must have been about a week ago, and we've been so busy with a couple of things that we've been doing, some things that you guys know about and some things that are for future videos. But what the email that I got down was from ULTA. And if you're familiar, I think it was not even a month ago that I got a similar email telling them that they missed me and they gave me a $15 coupon in that video. And I'm going to see if I can link that video down below so you guys can see the first one. But all of a sudden it wasn't, they were still missing me. And I used that coupon, so that was pretty amazing. So it was another $15. So I really was sitting trying to figure out if I'm going to use it, if I'm not going to use it, because, you know, I try to budget myself a certain amount of money every month. So even though it's $15, that's free money, they still want you to spend $50. Then it gets reduced, you know, to the 15, and it's $35 free ship. And then we were going to do the delivery pickup so that we wouldn't have any damage like we did last time and things like that. So we talked it out and we tried to figure out what to do. And my dilemma was there were a couple of really good deals on some products that I really wasn't familiar with. And then in the back of my head, I still want that Too Faced pumpkin palette that is about $50 on its own. So I figured if I would do that, then that palette would only cost me $35. Or do I do something more for the channel that I think these are price points and ideas that are going to be available like between now and Christmas to share with you guys here. And that's what won. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of things that are the ULTA brand that were a couple of amazing deals. And as I'm pulling it out of the packaging, I'm happy I made that decision, because sometimes when you think of others before you think of, you know, yourself, it ends up being in your favor, and I think that's what ended up happening. So we ended up, the value of everything that I'm going to show you is around $75. And then I ended up, coupon and everything else ended up being $40. So I'm going to go through everything that I'm going to show you what we ended up getting. And then I'm going to try to make this video like reasonable time so that I can play with each one of these on their own in a separate video. So today I'm just going to share with you everything that that we got and what's inside, so that if this is of interest to you, you could immediately wait either for the coupons. I know they're doing right now at 20%, but they're going to do a lot of these type of deals. And with ULTA, what's great about it is that every week there's, you know, some other product line that's, you know, buy one get 50% off or things like that. So it's easier to look at and put it in your wish list on the which is what I do in the cart, and I save it for later. And then when these type of coupons come down, I shop that first, and then I look at what's new and what's going to be on sale for that week. So that's how I do my shopping on ULTA. All right, so today, because as you know, before the boxes and everything, I was a you know, P or B or whatever the number, what they call themselves on Ulta, and I really was platinum. So it was amazing because my points never expired, and you know, it just rolled over year to year, and it was just so much fun. But now with all the boxes, I'm not purchasing a lot on Ulta, so I'm not platinum anymore. So if I get points, then I have to use those points before the year is up, because like I said, it doesn't roll over when you're not platinum, and I think platinum is about $500 a year or something like that, but it keeps changing. So now they have a diamond. It's a whole new game. All right, so let me show you quickly what we ended up getting. So the deal that was going on right now is this, they're calling it the Caboodles Edition Beauty Box. And to me, this reminded me so much of what they're showing on some of the higher end brands that they're calling it Barbie and things like that. And it is a really nice container. I wasn't sure, like, you know, based on the pictures, how large it was going to be or how plasticky it was going to be. It's cute. I'm really shocked how durable and how nice this is. And I will show you everything about it because it really, really is cute. And it has a really sturdy handle that's plastic and has some really nice glitter running through it. And then when you open it, you simply lift this up. And I've already taken a lot of the plastic out, which I will show you what it was all about. So this is the inside of here. So we have a big tray on the bottom. There's a middle tray on the top. This top compartment here is a full mirror. And then there's another little tray on the inside here. Each one of these came beautifully packaged. They came in these type of containers where each product was individually placed in. It was done beautifully. So if you're planning on shipping this or sending this, I don't think that you're going to have any problems at all. And I'm going to go through with you all the items that were in here. The next one is they had this package filled with some fantastic goodies, and you had a choice between a snakeskin print or this one. I chose this one because, as you can see, you also had a choice of a green one in this one that I just showed you guys. And in this one, this was a free $19.50 full retail product if you bought anything over $19.50. This other one was a $29.99 deal. All right, so I got, for the $29.99, I got a $19.50 package for free. Then, because I had to hit that $50 price point, what I ended up, and this has been on my wants list for a while, so it might be a product that you're familiar with, or it might be one that is going to be new to you. This was, and I'm sure this must be an influencer, but I really don't know. It's a Rachel Leary, and this is from Revolution, and this one has been on my wants list for a while. It's not that expensive. It's only $20, but they always have like a buy one, get one half, and I really wasn't sure. It was always like, if I had to meet that $50 price point, this was always something that I said I would add to the cart. And this one really is beyond stunning. And the entire top is a full mirror. And this did not come with a plastic shield, or, yeah, the plastic shield is there. It's against the mirror. That's what I did. But it came with all these fantastic, like, beyond a full face. So this one, like I said, we'll do all the swatches in a separate video just based on this palette, because there's a lot to talk about on this one, but I am ecstatic to get my hands in there. And then the final thing, because this was a little bit short of the amount, what I ended up doing was picking up one of these LA Girl lipsticks. This has been all over Instagram, and I've been so impressed with the LA Girl. I know a few of you requested that I do some swatches of the LA Girls that I got in my last Ulta, and I'm going to try to do that for you as well. So we'll do some swatching of that as well with this. This is a magnetic closure. It's really beautiful. The color that I chose is Hype. That's what it looks like here. I got this, it was on sale, I think, for $4, and that got me over to the number to be able to use that $15. So like I said, really impressed with this. So let me just quickly go through the items that were in here so you'll see what I mean by this being an absolute steal. So besides this fantastic container with this full mirror, which I think is great to put your makeup in if you're going away to, you know, somewhere, you can carry this almost like a train case. All of these lip glosses were in there. Then we had an Ulta Beauty Watermelon Facial Mist. Then they came with this Ulta Beauty Brow Trio. We got a couple of brushes, and they are nice brushes. I was really surprised how these are definitely usable. Then there was this dual crayon, that pencil that is a medium brown and a dual brow pencil in dark brown. So it was both sides there. And then this was a highlighter pencil in here. Then it also came with to try this eyeshadow primer, which I've heard great reviews on the Ulta primer. And then this new, which I'm seeing more and more brands are starting to do this, a liquid blush. So that was the next item in here. Then there were two palettes in here as well. And the first palette that we got was this one here. And this one says on the back here, there's a bronzer, a matte bronzer, a shimmer bronzer, a nude pink blush, a rose blush, and a champagne highlighter. And it says made in China, but it was distributed by Ulta in Illinois. And this is what this looks like here. So we'll do, like I said, in that next video, I will definitely swatch all these for you, so this video doesn't go on too long. And then this is the other palette. So as long as these swatch beautifully, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try some of the Ulta brand products, because with Sephora, I use a lot of their products under their brand, and I love the Story, I think it's called Stories lipsticks and things like that. So this will be my first time trying any products that are from Ulta, so we'll have to see, but price-wise and the cuteness, I think this is a really nice gift-giving gift, you know, for anybody. Doesn't matter the age. I think it's really adorable. And now let me just show you what was in this one here. So this is a gorgeous, I used to buy products from companies like Bare Minerals and things when they came in these fantastic cylinders. These cylinder size are fantastic to keep your brushes, and when you're traveling, they are so convenient. They open up wide, you can fit so much in here, and it takes up so little space. So I love these type of little pouches. So this pouch on its own, when I saw it and the size of it, I was really surprised. And it has a cute little tassel on it. And like I said, this was free for anybody who spends at least $19.50 on Ulta products. So I just figured I would do the $29 because it came with this train case and I thought it was a lot of fun. So the items that are in this case, this little cylinder bag, the first one is from Ulta Beauty. It is a shiny sheer lip gloss. There are two eyeshadow brushes. Here they are. Then they had a small palette here, which I think is just beautiful. There was no mirror in here, but these are the colors that are in here. Then we received a face primer, mattifying face primer, which I will definitely be using. And here's another matte, this one's matte, eye primer. So really excited that I'm gonna have the opportunity to try those. Then there is a full mascara, and this just says New Heights Lifting Mascara, and it's in that same type of packaging like the L'Oreal, so excited for that. And then we got a lipstick, and that's what the shade looks like here. And the packaging is really rich looking. It's really luxurious, and it's really nice. And then you have the name Ulta Beauty right on the embossed in here, which is really pretty, really nice. And then the final thing was one of those cloths that like the makeup eraser, where it's really nice to be able to take your makeup off and all that. So, and it's that perfect size, you know, like a washcloth size. I think this was an absolute steal. So I couldn't wait to be able to share it with you guys, because this is one of their newer products that they are putting out on the shelves. And I wanted to make sure that if you were interested in it, that you could know how I purchased it, what the deals were, and now you can see it up close and personal what all the products are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video doing swatches of all of these in separate videos. So this way, if that's what you're interested in seeing, you'll be able to see that. But this way you get to see what I spent and how I got it, you know, $75 worth of product for $40. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. And I will see you all soon, hopefully in the next video. But during this time, I want to make sure that everybody still continues to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you soon. Take care, and bye-bye for now.